The game Absolute Zero can be played with 3, 4, or 5 cards in your hand. Your hand score is its absolute value. In the first round, Betsy got 0. -9 and -1 is -10. +10 is 0. So on the Absolute Zero score sheet, which can be found on our website, absolutezero.com, Betsy would get a 0 for the first round. Delaney had this in her hand. She had 13 positive, 2 negatives. That gives her a value of positive 11. Therefore, the absolute value of positive 11 is 11, so Delaney's score is 11. Dan had this in his hand at the end of the first round. -12, +8, and +2. That gives him a value of -2. The absolute value of -2 is +2, so Dan's score was a 2 for that round. The player's score for each round is the absolute value of their hand. Let's say the second round we decided to play with 4 cards instead of 3. This was Betsy's hand. She had -20, +13. That gives her a value of -7 or an absolute value of 7. We add round 1 to round 2 to get a subtotal of 7 for Betsy. Round 3 would be written here with its subtotal, 4 with its subtotal, all the way to the end of the game. The score sheet is designed for 5 rounds. Of course, that can be adjusted to be more or less depending on how much time is available. The person with the lowest score at the end of the game wins.